The adorable life of a sloth, slow, steady, and irresistibly cute.
Surprising swimmer, sloth exhibits unexpected aquatic agility. Amazing algae, sloth fur is a vibrant mini ecosystem. Nocturnal mystery, sloth serene night adventures. Enchanting solitude, sloth thrives in peaceful seclusion. Natural harmony, sloth nurtures forest balance with gentle grace. Conservation focus, secure future for the endearing sloth species. Cultural icon, sloth as the universal symbol of relaxation. Nurturing bonds, sloth mother and child in the heart of nature.